Hi, all, and welcome back. So, today let's discuss how to create blogs in Odoo 14 website. That is to create blogs and add blog posts. So, for that, we have to install a module from App Store. So, when you open apps and close apps filter and search for blog, you can find a module here that is in order to create website blog. So, just install this from here. So you can see when you install the blocks module, you will be redirected to website. You can see this my website, and you can see a new menu is created here for blog. And here you can see the latest blog post above, and here we can see all the created blogs. So you can see travel astronomy. So there are two blogs, and if you want to see all the blog posts, then just choose this all. So when you choose travel, you can see there are three blog posts which is created under travel blog. And for astronomy, okay, also you can see there are four blog posts, and you can see the blog post name. Then you can see some detail here, then the published date and some tags. And here you can see a search option. So here it is possible to search by some terms. So if I enter hotel, okay, just choose travel, and if I search for one word, you can see some details are shown for that search. So for that, you can see there are two results are shown, and you can pick one. So when you choose one, you can see that blog post in detail. Then it is also possible to create new blog post, new blog. For that, you can see an option above that is new. Just click on this and you can see there are a lot of features, a lot of options shown, and it is possible to create a new blog post by clicking this. So just click that and you can see a window asking for the blog name. That is in which blog you need to add the blog post. So you can choose from here. Suppose I am choosing travel and click continue, and here you can find page created. So here we can add the blog post title, and you can add subtitle and add can add your writings here. And it is possible to add blogs for your page, and here we can style your, that is you can style your objects using the style option. And also we have other options for customization of your page. So after adding details, you can save the blog post, and after that you can publish it. Okay, so it is possible to publish the blog. So this is how we create a blog directly from your website. As you can see, demo is added. And it is also possible to create a blog from your website module. So when you go back to your website module, here you can see a menu is created for blogs. Just click that. So it is possible to create new blog posts from here. And here you can see some of the blog posts already created. So just click create, and here we can add select the blog in which we are creating the blog post. Suppose I'm creating a new blog like food, and you can create and edit. So when you click create and edit, a window is shown. Here we have to we can change the blog name and you can add blog title, then website in which you have to publish this blog. So this is used to restrict publishing to a particular website. So I'm not adding any because I want this blog to be posted in every website that I have created. Okay, so just save this, and here we can add a title for your blog post. Okay, I'm adding South Indian. Then here I can add subtitle. It is not mandatory. Then it is possible to add tags. Multiple tags can be added here. And here you can see publishing options. So here we can add the author of your blog post. Okay, I'm adding Decoedit as a author. And here you can add create created on publishing date. So you can add a publishing date. Then it is possible to see the last contributor or last updated date, which will be updated automatically. Then here you can see search engine optimization for uh, your blog post. Here we can add meta title, meta description, meta keywords. And okay, so after this you can save this. And from here you can go directly to the website and publish this blog post. Okay, so when you come back, you can see the blog post is created. Okay, so just click this, go to website. And here you can see the blog title, and you can see new blog is created, food. And when you click this all blogs, you can see all the blogs. So before that, let me publish this blog post. Okay, so you have published your blog post. So when you click this blog, you can see a latest blog post is added, and can see that blog here. And when you choose food blog, you can see that blog post here with the author. You can see the credit is author. And if you want to make any further customization for your web, that is blog post, just click on this and just click edit, and you can add customization. You can add blocks or styling or images to your blog post. Like this way you can add images, and after that you can save this. And when you come back to your website module, it is also possible to see the views of your blog. So here you can see a visitor, Michelle admin, and you can see the URL here and the visitor date time of the blog. Okay, so that's all about creating blogs to Odoo 14 website. If you're interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.